Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert text to PDF in mobile. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to open up your Play Store or App Store. Alright, once you have it open, just go ahead and locate Google Docs and install it. Once you have it installed, simply open the Google Docs app. Once you're in here, it will automatically load the documents that is saved on your device. Alright, so what we're going to do is just select a document, or if you want to, you can create one. So go ahead and tap on this plus sign right here, then create a new document. All right. Like for example, I'm going to click on this one right here. So what we're going to do next is basically click on this three dots right here at the top right, and just simply hit on share and export. Click or tap on that and hit on save as. All right. Tap and there will be a plenty of options right here. Just go ahead and select a PDF document and hit on OK. Wait for the process to finish, as it says saving right here, and a web browser will open. Now to download this PDF and save it to your device, just go ahead and click on this download button right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a download button right here at the top right. All right, tap on that and a browser will open again. Just go ahead and sign in. And it says here downloading file, and the file is downloaded. If you want to, you can go ahead and open it up directly from the website. All right, as you can see here, the ones that is converted to PDF is now set to the PDF format. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.